Welcome to our channel. We went to Zion National Park in August. It was just a weekend trip and the weather was pretty hot. We arrived at the park late afternoon and there was a long line at the entrance. We stayed at the South Campground. We saw a mule deer having dinner. He had nice antlers. It got windy and started raining. We could see lightning and hear loud thunder. We had spaghetti and salad for dinner. It was pouring hard. We fell asleep listening to the rain. The next morning, the sky was blue. We went to the visitor center first.
We are going to the Zion Visitor Center. Come on, Bert.
The South Campground is connected to a paved trail called the Pros Trail. We love this trail because we can walk with our dog and ride our scooters. This is the Virgin River. It was so muddy like chocolate milk. We were going to hike the Narrows that day, but we decided not to go because of the flash flood forecast. We decided to take it easy and get another set of the Junior Ranger badges. It was pretty busy inside of the visitor center. We got our passport stamps. We also got our Junior Ranger booklets from the ranger station outside. We had to go to a ranger-led program to finish the booklets. We went to the Zion Nature Center located right next to the South Campground. They have samples of various animals and insects inside. There was a nature journal making station, so I made my own journal too. The daily ranger-led program for the day was called Animal Detectives. We learned how to track animals using their footprints and scats. We went outside with Ranger Kay and spotted mule deer footprints. We finished our Junior Ranger booklets and received the badges. We walked back to the campground. We made chicken wings for dinner. I put barbecue sauce on the wings. After dinner, we went for a walk on the Prues Trail. We met a family of deer having dinner. Zion at sunset was beautiful, and the temperature was perfect in the evening. The next morning, it was beautiful outside. I helped my dad make breakfast. After breakfast, we headed home.
Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
let's go home.
I am calculating the route. Please proceed to the highlighted route and then immediately turn right.
It was a short trip, but we enjoyed the beautiful scenery from the campground and the trail. My brother and I had fun learning about animal tracks. We hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.